tired of your bulky and inconvenient lead-acid batteries and bulky diesel generators? So Swastika has brought a sustainable solution for you. Presenting Swastika Solar Hybrid PCU 10 kVA with 9 kilowatt LiFePO4 lithium battery bank. This is an MPPT based charger which supports 12 numbers of 544 solar panels, and this has an isolation transformer which supports to run all kind of loads. You can easily run your all kind of household loads, whether it is TV, whether it's your fridge, air conditioner or any other kind of load. You can also run your computer load or any IT load like computers, printers, routers, as this comes with a zero switching time. You do not feel any blackout or any interruption in your power supply. The main USP of Swastika Solar Hybrid PCU is 7-inch LCD display. This is a touch screen on which you can see all the parameters of your inverters and batteries. You can see the live demonstration of how the power supply moves, how the current is moving, what is the battery percentage, what is the solar power generation, and what is the load percentage which is running on this solar PCU. Swastika Solar Hybrid PCU also comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remote monitoring, to which you can easily monitor the parameters of your UPS and batteries sitting at any location in the world. This also comes with a digital warranty which works on the descending order as per the usage of the user. Hence, it offers a paperless digital warranty. Talking about Swastika lithium battery bank, this is the LiFePO4 based lithium battery bank, which is a 9 kilowatt battery, and this is equivalent to 8 numbers of 150Ah lead acid batteries. As you know, lead acid batteries require regular water topping, regular maintenance, and also has a short life of 3 years. Swastika lithium battery no maintenance, no water topping, and also consumes half of the space as compared to lead acid batteries. It provides a fast charging and also a longer backup as compared to lead acid batteries. You can also replace your diesel generator with this Swastika Solar Hybrid PCU and lithium battery bank. Swastika battery has a smart BMS that regulates and maintains the voltage of each cell, ensuring the complete protection to lithium battery. So you don't have to worry about the safety and security of your loved ones. So if you're looking for a sustainable, compact and advanced solution, then Swastika Solar Hybrid PCU 10 kVA with 9 kilowatt lithium battery bank is a perfect solution for you.